Hello dear friends! As you know, there are 3 modes for video stabilization in DaVinci. But which one is suitable for your video? In general, perspective has the best results in most cases. But for very fast videos or cases where things move quickly, translation is a good option. Similarity is almost something between these two. In cases where there is movement in the video but you need strong stabilization, similarity is a good choice. Translation has almost the weakest stabilization, but be careful. In some cases, the strength of this tool causes the opposite result. And weakness is not always a bad thing. Let's compare them. In some cases like this, the result is almost the same. As you can see, here the tree and the sky are strangely shaking and waving. But in similarity mode, this problem does not exist. And here, because the movement is fast, the previous 2 modes have problems. As you can see, the video image is shaking or zooming. Also, some parts of the image are wavy. But the translation mode has almost the best result. Of course, the original video has a lot of vibration, and if the quality was better, the vibration would completely removed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.